What it do, booming fam? It's your girl Netta back with another video. So today's video, I am going to retwist my hair for you guys. From this point on, I'm just going to dive right in it. I'm going to wet my hair first, show you what I use. And it's mostly going to be me doing a voiceover over the video so we don't have to talk throughout. And I'll speed it up for y'all. Any questions you have about the way I retwist my hair, locks, whatever, comment down below. And let's get into it. Hey guys, so here I'm taking down the ponytail, finger combing my hair, getting ready to wet it. I wet it here. Only wet half of it because by the time I would have got to the other side, it would have dried by then. So half my head is wet. That's my edge wax, murray, my small comb, and small rubber bands. And I'm going to pull out a spray bottle eventually for when it starts drying because, hair dry fast, especially when you let it air dry sometimes. So I'm starting at the back. Now, what I noticed with the back was you guys wouldn't be able to see it, but at this point, I'm just like, okay, let me just get the back done. I can show you guys the front. My locks are palm rolled. Always have been, always will be. I don't do interlocking just because, and you guys can do your own research, just because it makes the locks more thinner than I would like them to be. And it just is, do your research because everybody, different strokes for different folks. So with the rubber bands, as you can see, I palm roll 2 of my locks, and then I'll twist them together right there. There you go. And then I put the rubber band at the bottom of it to hold it. I do my hair this way so I don't have to put a clip on every single lock like I used to. They used to be so tiring. It used to take me like 4 or 5 hours to do my hair. Just to get the clips in the right place too. But with this method, it takes me like 2 hours and 30 minutes. So yes, as you can see, I kept going. You can see I was far along a little bit on this side. The curls and twists looking nice and juicy. I'm at the top now. And feel free to comment whatever comments you guys have or questions. But I definitely want to show you guys what I was doing here. So I'm only human and I can't see the back of my head. But when I get to the front, I try to make sure that the squares are as nice as they can be. My squares aren't that thrown off in the first place. So I sprayed them because my hair started drying. I put the edge wax on, and then I take the comb and comb down the new growth a bit, and then I palm twist. And I make sure I roll down rub down the extra edge wax that occurs on the lock when you twist it. You know how it turns white? I make sure I rub it down so they can get on the rest of the lock. Here's me picking out my little baby edges that I'm going to keep out of it because, you girls got to keep your edges nice and full. You don't want to put all of it in there. So, the same thing again, the edge wax. Make sure I get those edges in there that I want. Taking the combing down the new growth, and then I'm going to palm roll it. Okay, so at the front, I kind of like twist it flat and then I palm roll it so that my hair, I don't know, I just think it's better that way. It gives my hair a way to stay out of my face more. It stays back, gives a little bit of a form. And then I took those two, twisted it together. And like I said, I like this method so that I don't have to use so many clips. Because when I used to do my hair before I fall asleep at night, the clips used to stick me in the head. I'm like, I don't want to take them out yet, so I used to have to sleep like a Frankenstein, and it just wasn't worth it. Put the rubber band at the end. And if you're wondering, yes, that's how people get that crinkly look once they're tired of the 2-strand twist look. They untwist them and it looks crinkly and curly. So that's that look. I do kind of miss my locks looking straight once I'm done, just because my hair looks much longer when they're straight. But it's not worth the time that it takes. So until I do that again, it'll be this, nice and efficient. So what I've been explaining is what I'm going to do pretty much throughout the whole head. I'll just play some music or some little jingles in the background as I go ahead and speed this process up. Yes, it took like 2 hours and 30 minutes. I did take breaks, so that's not including the breaks. With breaks, it's, Yeah, we're not gonna talk about that. But I just wanted to give y'all the exact time of when I was actually doing it. But yeah, talk to you soon. So at this point, I already had started feeling myself, y'all. Half the head done, as you can see, deuces. Half of the head done, and then I had the other half not done. But you can tell, like, one side is longer than the other one is not twisted up, but that doesn't bother me. They drop eventually. So it looks like I took a break, in which I did. And on the other side that's finished, I added some beads to the end. Yep, you can add whatever you want or don't add anything at all. It's just what I wanted to try for the time being. I actually thought it was cute. Can't wait to see it on the whole head. But yeah, so I'm about to get right into the second half and finish that up. Finito. I finished, y'all. So now I gotta add the beads to that side. And yeah, you see the back of that girl head. All that flat. and twisted and tight. All by me. I always have retwisted my own locks, and there go the beads on both sides. I thought it was cute, unique. I think I want to get some brown beads as well. But that'll do for now because those are the only beads I did have. But yeah, this is how my hair is going to stay until my birthday in a couple of days so that, it can stay nice and fresh and the parts can stay good. But yeah, your girl about to be feeling herself with scalp, showing nothing but scalp. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe.